welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tami and I'm here with my amazing wife Shae.
Hi everybody.
Alright, so today we're going to do a different challenge. It's called Newlywed's game. So let's get right into it. But before we have our cards, her name and me means my name, she has my name and me means her. We're going to ask each other's question and then we'll see how it goes. Let's go into it. Alright. Who has the better handwriting? Alright. Your turn, baby.
Who eats the loudest?
That's true. Who is more likely to go skydiving? Yeah, me not do heights. Your turn, baby.
Who is more likely to go to jail?
Let me get the questions them off Google.
I mean,
who is more polite?
right now?
Yes, right now. What? No.
Depends on the day.
Come to me. Alright, your turn.
Oh my god. Who takes the longest to get ready? 10 years later.
10 years? Baby, I got
10 years later.
what's that?
Well,
Oh my god. Alright. Oh Jesus. Who is the first one to say it's time to go home from a party? Yeah.
for somebody who works till 2 o'clock in the morning, she sure don't last long. Okay. Who's the romantic one?
Are you, baby?
Yeah, I need to do better.
Alright. Who talks the most during a movie? Alright, this is me, guys. Nobody watch a movie with me, cause you're not wagwan.
You're gonna miss the movie.
I'm
if
true.
you talk to the whole thing.
Your turn.
Who is the tea person? It's both.
Yeah.
I would say
yeah,
both.
that's both. That's
It's both.
both. That's both. Who is the most patient one?
It depends on what tea. Who has the shortest temper? Baby.
Google may get these questions from. What's the shortest temper? Get back into it. Let's see. Who is more frisky? Yeah.
Who is better at giving directions? You don't know where to go nowhere.
No way. No way at all. You would allow
The
this
Uber driver can't help nobody. They both lost.
Especially if the Uber driver speaks Spanish. It's done enough.
Oh. Who is the better cuddler? Beginner.
Really?
You need to do better on these things.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's why we do these things. So I know what's
It helps the marriage.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Who has better in-laws? Uh-oh.
That's debatable right now. I'm going to put my card like this. better at saving money?
Yeah. Who has the sweet tooth?
Definitely me today.
Every day, baby. Your turn.
Papa has the best apple pie.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god!
What?
Oh my god!
I don't know what you talk about. Read the question. Who farts?
I don't have no gallbladder, people. I don't have no gallbladder.
My turn?
Yeah.
Wow. What an icebreaker. Who is wrong the most?
Who's the most sensitive?
What?
You're way more sensitive than me.
A joke?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, move. Take it. Who sings better? I put this on the big on board because, yeah.
Have
But
y'all
enough.
seen her videos of karaoke?
Maybe they'll come to me.
I'm just letting them know they can find some videos of you in karaoke.
It's horrible, guys. I feel like the internet probably set them down. Them that bad.
Everybody needs a good laugh.
Pick the people.
Alright, don't rush me. Who is most adventurous? You? Adventurous? Would you ride a roller coaster?
No, but then I think about theme
Would you
parks.
jump out of there?
No.
The sky?
But then I think
Would you
adventurous
watch
in
a
that
horror
way.
movie?
No. That mean adventurous?
Adventurous is
I don't
adventurous.
think so. I feel
It's
like
broad.
camping, you know, camping and being the
So
outdoors.
you want
and
to go camping?
No.
You
All
wanna
right.
be
You know,
with-
me change my answer.
Thank you.
All right. What were they? You know?
Yes.
Oh, this is the final one.
Okay.
Who is more touchy? Ooh. Me never sure. Me have to think about it. Alright, baby. Alright guys, so that's it for our game today. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you baby for another one. I hope you guys had fun. Do remember to comment down below your favorite part, and remember to like this video, share it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 200 subscribers. Yes. Anything else to say, baby?
No,
That's it?
that's it.
Alright. Peace out, chicken grease. Yeah.